How to redeem Fortnite V-Bucks code on Switch. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, link your Epic Games account to your Nintendo Switch. To do that, visit Epic Games account page on a browser. Now, log in with your Epic Games account, and if you don't have an account, create one and link it with your Nintendo Switch. Now, once linked, open your browser and go to Fortnite V-Bucks redemption page and tap on the Get Started button to begin the redemption process. You will then be required to enter your V-Bucks code, so enter the 12 or 16 digit from your V-Bucks card and tap on Next. Now confirm that the code is valid. You will see the amount of V-Bucks associated with the code. Choose Nintendo Switch as the platform where you want the V-Bucks applied. You will then be required to sign in with your linked Nintendo Switch account if prompted. Once the platform is selected, confirm the details and then tap on the redeem button. And with this, the V-Bucks will be credited to your Fortnite account tied to your Nintendo Switch. So, this is how you can redeem Fortnite V-Bucks code on Switch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.